Hey there, it's Roland from Getting It Done North of 7. Do you have a sink plug won't come back up? This sink plug here is working fine right now. This is how it should work. There's a mechanism inside here that has a spring. So this is how it's supposed to work. I'm going to show you what to do when it won't pop up. Okay, I have a previous video with various methods how to unstuck your pop-up drain plug, and it has worked for a lot of people. Today I'm going to add to that collection of methods. I'm going to show you a few other ways. Okay, say maybe you're in a hurry and your pop-up drain plug isn't stuck really bad. You can just take a rubber glove and just press down and turn it and it'll pop up. If it doesn't pop up, you can take a wooden spoon like this if you have one in your kitchen. Take a hammer and just tap lightly around here like this, around the rim. Most times it'll pop up like this. Funny story, I've had many commenters tell me that they've used chopsticks. They went through the drawer and that's the first thing they got was chopsticks. But even like a wooden stick, a wooden spoon will work just fine. Just don't pound on this hard, just tap lightly around this ring. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll leave a link to that video I previously did that is helping a lot of people with this issue. I'm just showing you some other methods in case those methods don't work. And some of these ideas I got from commenters on that video. Here's a method that several commenters mentioned. Just take a piece of duct tape. This is white duct tape. Doesn't matter what color it is. You stick it on there really good and you pull up on it. But say your sink is full of water, make sure you scoop all the water out first, dry it really well because the tape will not stick. In that previous video, I also mentioned spraying some WD-40 around here, just a little bit, let it sit there for a while, and it'll hopefully work this loose. Okay, so another method brought to my attention by commenters on that video is a sink plunger. I'll leave a picture up here on the left-hand side, what that sink plunger looks like. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push that sink plunger down over the top of here, and you're going to push down and pull up really quick. Push down, pull up really quick. And that'll cause a suction and hopefully pull up your drain plug. Now, if all these methods don't work and the video that I'm going to send you to at the end of this video, those methods don't work, I want you to try this. This is going to be sort of your last resort. Like I said, this is your last resort. And if this doesn't work, I don't know what to tell you. But you're going to get yourself a tube of this PL. You might need to go to a hardware store to get it. If you have a caulking gun, that'll work great. And you're going to put a big gob on top of your drain plug. Like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over here like this. Now you're going to stick your spoon or a stick or a chopstick right into there. You're going to push it all around here like this. And we're going to let this dry. Probably, geez, an hour, 2 hours, whatever it takes, let that dry hard as a rock. And it's going to be sticking up like this. And I bet you it's going to be so solid that you'll be able to pull up like that with it. And it'll pull up on your drain plug. Once this pops up, you'll be able to twist this off like this, which will expose the piston, the mechanism under here. See, it's spring loaded. And you'll be able to take a pair of pliers, turn left, and you'll be able to take this piston out and you'll be able to take it apart and lubricate it. I'll leave a video to that down in the description below as well as at the end of this video. What you're going to do once you take this all apart is you're going to lube this mechanism, put it back together, and it should work fine. Mine's been working great for months, like a year now. And if you have a problem with this not working good anymore, you can buy these also. I'm going to leave links to these as the first comment, a pinned comment down in the comments below this video and also in the description. If you have any suggestions that worked for you, please let me know down in the comments below. We'll see you on the next video.